how to use ChatGPT instead of Siri on iPhone. So if you want to use ChatGPT instead of Siri on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your App Store. From your App Store, you need to just simply go with search, and you need to search for ChatGPT. And here under ChatGPT, you need to just simply go and install ChatGPT. Now, after installing your ChatGPT, you need to just simply go back. Make sure that you've logged into your account on your ChatGPT. Once you've logged in, now you need to come back to your app screen and then go with shortcuts. Search for shortcuts and tap on it. Under shortcuts, you need to go with the plus, which will be in the top right. And here you need to tap on search actions. And here you need to search for ChatGPT and tap on start conversation with ChatGPT. Go with done. You'll get this kind of interface, right? Now you can go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with accessibility. Under accessibility, you need to scroll down again and tap on touch. And from here, you need to scroll down and you will find an option of back tap. Tap on it. Now here you will have two options. One is double tap and one is triple tap, right, on the back of your phone. Now you need to tap on double tap, and in my case, I've selected Siri, right? So you need to scroll down and then you need to find ChatGPT option right here. You can scroll all the way down, and as you can see that you will have start conversation with ChatGPT. Tap on it. Select our created shortcut. Now if you back tap 2 times or double tap, then it will start the conversation with ChatGPT. As you can see, that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.